Okay, so last time we saw how the function map works in JavaScript. Might as well see how it works in web development.
Alright, so before diving in, it's important to know first that in JavaScript, any variable can either correspond to an integer, decimal number, string, let's say hello, and etc. And in web development, a simple variable can correspond to a web component. So I can make this variable correspond to a web component, let's say an h3 tag, welcome to React. Now, in order to render or display this web component to my web page, I open braces here and writing the name of the variable, and if I save this file, hello World Wide Web, welcome to React. So I have this let's say an array of strings, an array of string values, which I want to map in my web page. So first I should import groceries from grocery list, which is the name of the file. And I don't need this. Now, since I want to display these groceries in a list, I should establish an ordered list. Then inside this ordered list, I should open braces, then calling the name of the array, then calling the function map. Inside this map, making a callback function that returns a list item, like that. Now it has nothing displayed, it just displayed 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to make it display each and every one of these values. So as we know, the parameter here corresponds to each and every item value. So I want to make the parameter here item, and simply using braces display the value of item. Now if I save this, go back here, bread, eggs, cookies, yogurts, as listed in my grocery list. So what happened here is that the function map, as we know, returns another array, but this time I made this function return an array of web components, with each component corresponding to an item list. Before this array of components is displayed in my web page. Okay, so let's dive into a more advanced way when using the map function in web development. I have this simple product on my web page and I want to display all the products I have. So I have this list of products. The dummy product corresponds to an array of objects, with each and every object having an ID, a unique image, a title, a price, and a description. And I imported the dummy products in my body component. So this body component calls in the product component, which takes a single product object, and in this product component it displays the image, the title, the price, and the description. Now this web page only displays the first product, so the product with the item being the first item of the dummy products. So let me use the map function here. So calling the array dummy products, then calling the function map. Inside this map, making the callback function return a product component. And I should make this product component take an item. So making this callback function having a product parameter. So product would iterate through each and every object of the dummy products and make this item correspond to the product. And in React, every list item needs a key prop so that the React library can be able to differentiate through the first and second list item. So I can set the key to the product and inside the product object call in its ID. So displaying my dummy products. Now if I save this, go back here, see all my products are in the list. Now I want to display all my products next to each other. So this is just a simple web design technique. I'm using Tailwind for this project. So you can also use normal CSS. Like if I hover over this, the flex class corresponds to a class with its display set to flex. So save this, they're displayed next to each other. I'm using here flex wrap. That's better. And let me hover over this. So if you're using normal CSS, this is the property flex wrap set to wrap. Yeah, and so this is a more advanced way of using the map function in web development.
Don't forget to follow to stay updated for more tips like this.